Discover the top 8 Nissan Navara engine problems on MotoCars YouTube channel. Are you a proud owner of a Nissan Navara or considering purchasing one? It's important to be aware of potential engine problems that may arise with this popular 4x4 vehicle. From faulty transmission coolers to timing chain errors, understanding these issues is crucial for the longevity and performance of your vehicle. At MotoCars Top 8, our YouTube channel is dedicated to providing valuable insights and expert advice on automotive maintenance and vehicle ownership. We believe in empowering our audience with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions about their vehicles. With our in-depth videos, we cover everything from common engine problems to performance upgrades and the latest developments in the automotive industry. The Nissan Navara is available in 3 major models: the D22, the D23, and the D40, with each model having its own set of unique features and characteristics. This versatility has made the Navara a bestseller for the Japanese company, offering consumers a range of options to suit their specific needs and preferences. However, like any vehicle, the Nissan Navara is not immune to potential engine issues. Whether it's the transmission cooler, clutch, or timing chain, these problems can affect the performance and reliability of your vehicle. By staying informed about these common problems, you can take proactive measures to address them and ensure the smooth operation of your Navara. Let's take a closer look at the top 8 Nissan Navara engine problems you should know about. 1. Faulty transmission cooler. Some owners have reported issues with the radiator bursting, allowing engine coolant to enter the automatic transmission. This can result in a loss of reverse gear functionality and require professional attention to rectify. 2. Faulty clutch. Some Nissan Navara owners have noted concerns about the clutch being too small for a large truck, leading to potential performance issues. Visiting an authorized Nissan dealer for the necessary components is recommended for resolving any clutch-related problems. 3. Timing chain error. The YD25 engine in the Navara has been known to suffer from chain stretch, affecting performance and potentially causing engine damage if left unaddressed. 4. Coolant spill (EGR). The engine exhaust reticulation cooler in the Navara YD25 engines may break or rust, resulting in a coolant leak, leading to potential overheating and cylinder head gasket damage. 5. Substandard fuel. Low-grade fuel can cause starting problems and result in improper gas combustion, affecting overall engine performance. 6. Air-fuel combination and incorrect air-fuel ratio can cause the Navara to stall, potentially resulting from poor sensor readings or vacuum leaks. 7. Bad fuel injectors. Malfunctioning fuel injectors can lead to an inefficient fuel mix, impacting the vehicle's performance and fuel consumption. 8. Inadequate fuel. Issues with the fuel tank, fuel valve, or fuel filter can result in insufficient fuel supply, affecting the Navara's performance and causing it to stall when under heavy demand. While the Nissan Navara engines have their reliability issues, understanding and addressing these problems can help you maximize the lifespan and performance of your vehicle. With proper maintenance and care, many owners have reported their Navaras lasting well beyond 200,000 kilometers, demonstrating the potential longevity of these vehicles with the right attention and the Nissan Navara is not immune to engine problems. It's crucial for owners and potential buyers to be aware of these issues to effectively maintain their vehicles and make informed decisions. Let's continue our exploration of common Nissan Navara engine problems. Battery issues. The Navara, like any vehicle, can experience battery problems. Common reports from owners include rusted battery connections and malfunctioning alternators. Regular battery maintenance is essential to prevent these issues from impacting the performance of the vehicle. Position of the accelerator gauge. The accelerator gauge's role is to control the amount of fuel and air entering the engine. While traditional manual adjustments are less common due to computerized control, this component plays a critical role in enhancing engine efficiency and reducing stress during acceleration. Starting issues. Starting problems can be attributed to issues such as faulty fuel injectors or starter malfunctions. It's important to diagnose these issues promptly to prevent costly repairs. Oxygen sensor. Malfunctioning oxygen sensors can impact the engine's performance, potentially affecting exhaust ratio and fuel efficiency. Regular monitoring and maintenance are key to addressing potential issues related to this component. In conclusion, the Nissan Navara engine problems may pose challenges for high-speed driving due to weak cornering stability. However, the vehicle's performance shines in off-road conditions, thanks to features such as the reducer and rear axle lock. While certain features and components may present challenges, the 3-liter powerful diesel engine, appealing style, and ample load capacity deliver notable strengths. Furthermore, The affordability of second-hand Navara vehicles, with prices starting at approximately $7,980, makes it an attractive choice for consumers. The availability of well-maintained vehicles through U.S. dealerships adds to the appeal, providing consumers with accessible options for their automotive needs. Our MotoCars Top 8 YouTube channel aims to equip you with the knowledge and insights needed to navigate these engine problems effectively and make informed decisions about your Nissan Navara. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to in-depth videos covering practical advice, maintenance tips, and industry updates. Join our growing community of automotive enthusiasts and stay ahead of the curve when it comes to vehicle maintenance and ownership. Subscribe to the MotoCars Top 8 YouTube channel today and gain access to valuable information to keep your Nissan Navara operating at its best. Let's embark on this automotive journey together, empowering you with the expertise needed for a rewarding vehicle ownership experience. We look forward to having you as part of our community.